If you want to compress a video without losing quality, maybe you want to upload the video and you want to save data, here's how you can do so. Now on your computer, you want to open your browser and search for HandBrake. Click on the first option with HandBrake here, and you should see the option to download for your system automatically. So click here and click on save to start downloading to your system. Now once the setup has been downloaded, you want to click on the download icon here and then run the setup. Now give permission to make changes to your device and then click on next. Click on next and click on install. Wait for the installation to finish and then click on finish. You might also be required to install an additional file, which is the Windows Desktop Runtime. When you try launching the app for the first time, you'll get this notification on how to install it. Now once installed, go ahead and open the HandBrake app, and this should open this setup. Now I'm going to be compressing this video you see here. Currently the video size is about 26 megabytes, and this is the video quality. So on the home screen here, you will see folder batch if you want to compress videos in a folder, and you see file. Now click on file and find the file. Currently ours is on the desktop. Click on the file and then click on open. This will import the file. Now in this section here, you can choose the format if you want it to be MP3, MKV or WebM. You can also optimize for web as well as iPod 5G support. So if you need this, you can check it in this section. There's also option for dimension, filters, video. In the video section here, you want to click on frame rate here, and then you want to scroll all the way to the top and choose same as source. And this is because you want it to have the same frame rate as the source. Here you want to click on constant frame rate. If you want to edit audio settings, you can click on audio in this section, subtitle and character, or you can just leave it the way it is. The next step is to come to this section and click on browse. Choose where you want the file to be saved. I'm going to be choosing desktop. Now give it a name and click on save. At the top here, you want to click on start encode, and this will start compressing the file. You should also see the file appear in that location. Now wait for this to finish compressing, and once done compressing, you can go ahead and close this, and let's see the file difference. The first file size is about 26.9 megabytes, and after compressing we have about 13.4 megabytes, and this is the quality difference. Now compared to the first video, this looks exactly the same. Now to do this on your mobile, you want to open your app store, and then in the search section, you want to search for compress video. You find different video compressing app. I personally use compress video size compressor. Now tap on this and then go ahead and install the app. Once installed, you can open the compress video app, and it looks something like this. Give all necessary permission and you should see this. Once here, when you tap on import, you see all the videos about on your device. Now select the video and then tap on next. Now on this page, you want to scroll and choose large file high quality. Tap on next here, leave all settings as default. Tap on start and this will start compressing your file. Once compressed, you see the size difference. You can go back and then play the video. You see that the video is about the same quality. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.